Hey guys, so I have this with a dishwasher which actually smells. And yesterday I saw water piling up here, so I cleaned up and everything. I ran it just rinse only. It didn't really fix the issue. I mean, the water is going, it's not getting clogged, but the problem is like the dishwasher has some type of a smell. So I was told to use this Glisten dishwasher cleaner. Supposed to be using it once a month. I'm gonna run it with this, and then I'm gonna see what is the difference, if the smell goes away or what. So based on the videos from Glisten, they tell you to place it upside down in here, unplug this. There's a wax screw inside, or wax nut inside, which is going to melt when you run this on hot. So let me show you. So as you can see, this is a wax cork thing, but it should melt when you run this on a hot water. So I'm gonna put it like this. It is supposed to be placed in a bottom shelf with where you put the utensils. All right, and I'm gonna run the hot water here just to make sure that the hot water is on before I turn on the dishwasher. I ran the sink and I made sure that the hot water is coming from there. I did unplug and then put that cleaner inside. I'm gonna close it. And this is where you want to make sure that you put heavy wash, the highest wash available you have, and you have to wash it in hot wash so that wax plug could melt. I don't know if I should do heated dry. That's probably not needed. That's only if I have dishes. So make sure heavy wash with hot wash and the start. I'm gonna come back as soon as that gets done. I'll let you know the results. Okay guys, so it took about 2 hours on high and hot wash. This is gonna be a moment of truth. Wow, I am actually surprised. It is clean. It is very well clean, and I don't smell anything. You can see the wax ring has been washed away and there's no liquid here anymore, and I don't see anything stuck here as well, like the water is not staying here. And to be honest, I don't smell anything bad anymore. There's no more bad odor coming out of here. And the side walls, actually they look really clean as well. Before there were some stains here, but it's pretty good actually. For $4, I think it's not bad. This only cost me $4. You gotta do this once a month, if not at least once every 2-3 months, I guess, but preferably do this once a month. I like the product. I think it's great. I don't smell anything bad, any bad odor coming out anymore. Thank you for watching, guys.